Hello viewers, I am Mohak Malhotra and Associated Daily. So today I would be talking about the case concerning the oil platforms which is between the Iran and United States. It was a legal dispute between the Iran and United that was brought before the International Court of Justice. So what was its background? In 1987 and 1988 during the Iran and Iraq war, the United States Navy engaged in military actions in the Persian Gulf, including the attacks on Iranian offshore oil platforms. So the Iran claimed that the U.S. action violated the international law, including the United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea and Customary International Law. So it had filed, that is Iran had filed an application with the ICJ alleging that the court had jurisdiction under the optional protocol to the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relation concerning the compulsory settlement of disputes. So what was the legal arguments? Iran argued that the attacks on its oil platforms were unlawful and amounted to a violation of its sovereignty, economic rights and freedom of navigation. It claimed that the United States breached its obligations under international law. So what were the counter arguments by the United States? So they argued that ICJ lacked jurisdiction to hear the case and that its military actions were justified as self-defense and protection of its interests. So what was its judgment? In November 2003, the ICJ issued its judgment. It found that the court had jurisdiction to hear the case based on the optional protocol and that the attacks on Iranian oil platforms constituted a violation of Iran's sovereignty and economic rights. So what were its remedies? The ICJ ruled that the United States was obligated to make reparations to Iran for damages caused by the attacks. The court left the determination of the specific amount of compensation for future consideration. So here now I will underline the settlement and compliance. The United States initially rejected the jurisdiction of the ICJ and did not comply with the court's judgment. However, in 2009, the two countries reached a settlement outside the court, agreeing on a framework to resolve the disputes, including the issue of compensation. So here I will wind up this video, and if anyone have any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section. Thank you.